Introducing the Hydrochain Aquamod system. Maximize storage efficiency and minimize installation costs with 96% void space. Watch as we walk through the simple and straightforward installation process. After excavation, cover the bottom and sides with a non-woven geotextile fabric. Place the foundation material. Place a second layer of geotextile on top of the foundation material. Begin placing the Aquamod module in one corner of the system and work outward. Each module is shipped as two identical halves which simply click together. Continue to build the system one layer at a time. Place inspection modules where shown on construction drawings. Pins are used to secure modules and are also used between layers in multi-layer systems. Cover the entire perimeter with side plates which clip or slide into place. Place pipe connection boots at all connection locations, including inspection ports. Use the interior geotextile layer to wrap the Aquamod assembly. Cut X's in the fabric for pipe to pass through. Connect the pipes, including the inspection port risers. Place the perimeter and top fill material around the system. Cover the backfill material with geotextile. Finish installation by backfilling to grade.